Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at the total cost of running our bioinformatic analysis on the cloud and learn how to shut down our server so we don't continue getting charged. Let's get started. All right, so we're back on the server dashboard, and we can see that our cloud server has been running for about 5 hours now and has accrued a total cost of $2.86. So for $2.86, we're able to launch a remote server, transfer data to that server, and process 4 paired-end RNA-seq samples from a real biological experiment, each sequenced to a depth of approximately 100 million reads, using a standardized bioinformatics pipeline. So if we do the math, that's about 71 cents per sample. So even if you don't have access to institutional computing resources, cloud computing makes it possible to process RNA-seq data quickly and affordably. Importantly, this can be done for other types of data as well, but the total cost will depend on the number of samples you have, the sequencing depth, and the bioinformatic pipelines that you use, which may have different hardware requirements. And before we wrap up, I also want to show you how to stop charges from accumulating. Right now, the server is still running, so we are continuing to incur charges. The first thing we can do is stop the server by clicking the power button at the top of the page and selecting Stop Server. This powers off the server while preserving the data, so charges still apply. And if you're completely finished with the server, you can permanently delete it by clicking the trash bin icon and selecting Destroy Server. This destroys the server and all associated data so that no further charges will accrue. And one last thing I want to talk about is snapshots. So snapshots save the state of a server at a particular point in time. And one of the things that I did after installing Docker, Nextflow, and Java was create a snapshot of the server. So if I want to launch a new instance in the future, I can use this snapshot as a template so I don't have to install and configure everything again. And the nice thing about snapshots is that they're super affordable and currently cost about 5 cents per gigabyte per month. But this could change in the future. Since my snapshot is about 8 gigabytes, the total will be about 40 cents per month. We could delete it, but keeping it around saves time when launching future instances, so I think it's well worth the small monthly cost. That's it for this video series on Nextflow and cloud computing with Vultr. I hope you found it useful and that it has given you the confidence you need to process your own data in the cloud. If you'd like to see more videos like this one using other types of data or cloud providers, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.